All right, guys, ready for Thursday math? You need two things, technically three, if you don't have these out yet. You need your 1000s chart, and you need to find the paper that says Thursday math. The third thing you need is a pencil. So if you don't have these things, go grab them, and you can always pause the video if you need to, but these are the things you need today. What you're going to do is, well, first of all, you can read the directions on the paper, but I'm going to also tell you in my words. You're going to be finding these sets of numbers and putting them on the thousands chart. So the thousands chart is really made up of all these hundreds boards, because if you add up all these hundreds, you'll get to 1,000. So you're going to be finding where each of these numbers is located and writing them in the square. So if you look, your first number is 43. So you would need to think, if this is a number 1 and this is 100, 43 comes between 1 and 100. Also, there's a 10. If I count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, there's the 43, so I need to write it. Then I need to find where 143 goes. So that means between 100 and 200. So this is 110. So if I know how to count by tens, 110, 120, 130, 140, and then I have to go over here, 141, 142, 143. What's going to happen for you, I hope, is that you're going to start to notice a pattern. That as you find all of these, look, 143, 643, 843, you're going to start to realize a pattern. But you're going to have to be careful, because what happens usually on this activity is that we will find where we think it goes, and we're actually on the wrong hundreds board. So this is going to take some time, some thinking, and some very careful work. You're going to do this for 3 sets of numbers, and you're going to find where they go. And then after you've done this, you're going to reflect. Down here, the way that you reflect is by choosing one of your sets, set A, set B, or set C, and telling, how did you find these numbers on the thousands chart? So one of the things that I just showed you as I was finding them is I counted by tens. So I would find the right hundreds board, then I would count by tens to help me get there. That was really helpful to me. So if I was doing this, that's what I could say. I could say, for set A, I found the right hundreds board, and then I counted by tens, then I counted 3 ones. That's really what I did. So you're going to think about, how are you finding these numbers each time you are finding a set, and you're going to reflect on that. So first, spend some time and carefully locate these numbers and write them in the little squares on your thousands chart, and then reflect on it here. Okay? So what you can do, if it's hard to take a picture of your work, is you can bring these things back to school with you on Monday.